So, next naman is yung port security part 2. And so, enable port security on switch ports connected to the end host. And so, kaya kanina, enable natin yan. Then, interface F02 switch port mode access switch port security. Then, dito din, enable connecting F02 switch port mode access switch port security. And then ping PC1 PC2 to generate traffic. Check the configuration of switch once F02 interface in the running configuration. Take note of the configurations. So, and then show run. Ito yung ano niya. So, notepad. Nalagay tayo. Ito yung configuration niya. And so, use a command to show to view the secure MAC address of switch1. PC1's MAC address should be in the table. SH MAC port security table address. Ayan. So, ito. Then, secure MAC address. Secure MAC address. Next is check configuration F02. Yan, na-check na natin. Ito siya. Then, save the running config of switch1 and reload the switch. So, then, save natin. Tapos reload. Wait lang natin. Ayan. So, enable. Then, switch run. Ayan, port security siya. Tapos, view the secure MAC address of switch1 again. Is PC1's MAC address still present? So, check natin. Show port security address. So, wala na. Nawala na si PC1. Enable sticky secure MAC address on the F02 interface of switch1 and ping PC1 to PC2 to generate traffic. So, try ulit natin. And so, walang port. Con FT int F02. So, switch port security. Ayan. So, MAC address. So, sticky. Ayan. So, enter natin. Then, ping natin yung PC1, PC2 daw. Ayan. So, ping. Then, view the secure MAC address on switch1. Then, view the configuration of F02 in the running config. Ayan. So, do SH run muna tayo. Then, ayan. So, ito yung naidagdag. Compared dito kanina, diba? Ito lang. So, naka-sticky na siya. Then, dun sa table naman, do SH port security address. Ayan. So, dito siya. Yung type niya is secure sticky. Dito, wala kanina. So, na-reset, na-reload. Then, save the running configuration and reload the switch. So, save, do WR. And, reload. Do reload. Reload ulit natin. Then view the secure MAC addresses on switch 1 again. Is PC1's MAC address is still present? So, check natin. Enable then SH port security address. So, present pa din siya. Ayan. So, kahit na i-reload natin, kapag naka-sticky siya, mariretain pa din yung MAC address ng PC1 natin. Ayan. So, yun lang sa part 2 ng port security natin sa Lab 6.